Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix messenger notification problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Messenger, and if there is an update you need to update your Messenger application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings, and then you need to go into the app management and go in app list and search for Messenger here like I am doing, and click on storage and cache. And the first step you need to clear cache, and after that you need to click on clear storage. Once you complete that step, you simply need to turn off your smartphone and turn on again and log in your Messenger account. Once you done that, you simply need to go into the settings again and click on app management, or you can search in the top notifications, or you simply need to go into the app management and go into the Messenger here. Okay, and here you need to click on notifications and you need to allow all notifications. As you can see that once you complete that step, your issue will be resolved. So by following these steps you can easily fix Messenger notification not receive problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.